Super sulit ng hotel na ito. Apa Hotel, KQ, Kamata, Ekimae. Hi guys, I'm Jan AK Soral. 12 times na kami nakapag-Japan with my wife Jamimay Vlogs at nakavisit na kami ng 30 prefectures. Follow us on our travels at ito na ang ating hotel review. Sobrang luwag ng room, queen bed, and ito yung pinaka-solid part. Hiwalay ang toilet at shower room. High-tech pa yung toilet, automatic. Tapos, hindi lang hiwalay ang shower may separate pa na bathtub, shower at lavatory area. May ganito ka pang view, plus masarap na breakfast. Favorite namin dito yung seafood bowl nila. Location-wise, around 20 minutes train ride from Tokyo Station, pero less than 10 minutes lang from Haneda Airport. Diba? Sobrang convenient. Overall, this is one of the best hotels with stays sa Japan so far. And if this helps, use my code SORALAGODA if you book via Agoda. Kapag nakita nyo itong mura, i-go nyo na.